Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to do some table modeling and texturing in Maya and Substance Painter. So let's start with the modeling and create the top of our table model. So let's take a cube and adjust its height and depth. So let's increase the width first. Let's take 8 and depth to 4. And decrease the height to 0.25. We'll try to keep this as low poly as we can, so let's go to edge mode and select all these edges and use bevel edge. Increase one segment and decrease the fraction to 0.1. Now let's add some support for this top. Take another cube, bring it down, go to front view and place it on this side. Press T and decrease the width to 0.25 and height to 0.25. Go to top view and enable the wireframe mode and increase the depth to 3.35. Again, go to edge mode and select all these edges, then use bevel edge. Increase one segment and decrease the fraction. Go to front view, place it this side, like this, and create a duplicate and place it on this side. So our top is done. Let's create some legs. Again, go to front view and take another cube. Bring it down and to this side. Press T and decrease the width and depth to 0.15. And also depth to 0.15. Now go to front view and increase the height to 2 and place it in the middle of this block. And again, go to edge mode, select all these edges and use bevel edge. Decrease the fraction to 0.1 and increase one segment. Now let's create a base for this leg. I'm going to select this block and create a duplicate. Go to front view and place it in the bottom, like this. Select this, press R and scale it down a little bit. Now take another cube, go to front view and place it like this. Press T and decrease the width to 0.15 and also depth to 0.15. Place it like this. Bring it out. Go to left view. And rotate it. Now go to face mode and select this face. Go to left view again and rotate this. And place it here. Again in the face mode, select this one. Go to front view. Go to left view and rotate this like this and place it here. Now go to object mode and isolate this by pressing Alt H. Go to edge mode, select the edges and use bevel edge. Go to fraction and decrease it to 0.1 with one segment. Bring your model back. Go to left view again and now go to vertex mode, select the vertices and bring them down a little bit and these ones to this side. Now create a duplicate and rotate this like this. Place it here. Select this block and bring it down. Select this one, go to vertex mode, select these vertices and pull them down a little bit like this. Now select these two cubes and combine them. Go to left view again and let's change the pivot. Press T and place it here. Create a duplicate and rotate them like this. So our legs are completed. You can select all of them and combine. Maybe scale them a little bit. Press R and scale them in the x-axis like this. Delete this one. Go to front view. Select it and create a duplicate. Place it on this side. So our table is almost complete. We just have to add a support in the middle. So let's go to front view and take another cube. We can also duplicate this one, but let's take a new one. Press T and decrease the height, depth and width to 0.25. Go to front view and make sure it fits. Let's decrease it one more time, 0.2. Now it's fine. Bring it back like this. Press T and increase the width. Press T and decrease the height and depth a little bit more to 0.75. 0.175. Now again go to edge mode, select all the edges and use bevel edge. Decrease the fraction and increase the segment. So now our table is completed. Let's unwrap this and then export it for texturing. So I'm going to delete this one because we will duplicate this one after unwrapping. So let's unwrap the top first. So go to your UV editing mode, or you can just go to UV and open the UV editor. Go to create and use automatic. Go to edge mode and select this edge, then use move and sew. Select this shell, bring it aside. Again select this shell and use move and sew. Again, now we need to attach these two shells. So select this one and use move and sew. Then go to UV shell and use layout. You can also rotate this. Like this, then layout. Now let's unwrap these. So separate them first. Select this one and again go to create, use automatic mapping. Go to edge mode and use move and sew. Attach these shells. Layout. Select this one. Go to create and use automatic. Or maybe we'll just copy this one. So let's delete this one and copy. Place it here. Go to left view. Like this. Select this one and go to create, then automatic. Edge mode, use move and sew. Then select this top and bottom edge, use move and sew. To UV shell and layout. And you see these edges unattached, select them and use move and sew. Do the same for this side and all these edges. And then layout. We may need to do the same for these two cubes. So combine them and then UV shell, layout, and look for the unattached edges. Move and sew. And now they are perfectly unwrapped. So select the shell and use the layout. So let's unwrap these two. So delete these two and select. And for this one I'm going to use the camera based mapping. So isolate this and go to create and then use camera based. Go to edge mode and select these edges to create the theme. Now go to your UV editor and in the edge mode add a cut to these edges. Then go to UV shell and select these shells, then unfold. Now select the edge and use move and sew and attach these top and bottom faces. Go to UV shell and then unfold. Now rotate this and go to edge mode, select this shell and then use orange shell to edges to fix the orientation. Unfold it one more time and then use layout. Now delete this one. So let's select this one now and go to create, then use automatic. Go to edge mode. Again use move and sew. Fix these edges. Select it and then layout. Now let's create the duplicates. So go to left view and change its pivot to here. Now create a duplicate like this and go to your attribute editor and add -1 to scale Z. Now select both of them and combine. Then again press D to change the pivot to here. Create another duplicate and rotate it like this. Now select all of them and combine. Go to front view, create a duplicate and place this one on this side. Like this. Now select all of them and combine. Go to your UV editor and in the UV mode select all of them and then use the layout. Now we need to flip these UVs. So again go to shell, select all of them and go to modify and then use flip. Go to UV shell again, select all of them and then use layout. So our table is completely unwrapped. So now select this and go to edit, then delete by type history. Go to file and then export it. and export it as obj.